Hi, I'm Santa Ana Mayor Vicente Sarmiento. I'm here at Santa Ana College with Councilmember Jessie Lopez to share the latest COVID-19 news with you. I'm happy to say that case counts are declining rapidly in Santa Ana, Orange County, and throughout California. If this trend continues, by mid-March, we should have fewer pandemic restrictions and we'll be able to open up more businesses and resume more activities. I can't wait to be able to sit inside my favorite restaurants, gather with my friends, family, and see our kids go back to school safely. However, it has been a long, heartbreaking journey to get to this point. I'm deeply saddened to report that about 700 Santa Ana residents have lost their lives to the coronavirus. To all of you who have lost friends, family, loved ones, the entire City Council and I want to share our sympathy and our condolences. While things are improving, we must remain vigilant and continue to wear masks, practice social distancing, and avoid gatherings. It's still important to get tested if you have COVID-19 symptoms and to self-isolate if you test positive. To ensure your safety, the city is now providing free coronavirus tests at 5 kiosks located around the city. In order to address the housing anxiety, the Santa Ana City Council recently voted to spend $9.8 million to expand our rental assistance program. This one-time rental payment grant for residents who have been financially impacted by the pandemic will now increase from $3,000 to $5,500. We will also be able to provide this assistance to more residents. More details on that are coming, but you can already apply now. However, the key to the next stage of our recovery is vaccination. I'm disappointed that the vaccination site at Santa Ana College had to close just days after opening, while other sites throughout the county are still open. It's difficult to understand why the vaccine fails to arrive en masse to our community that has been so unjustly impacted. Although we expect more vaccines are on the way, we hope the Santa Ana College site reopens to deliver vaccine more equitably. Residents aged 65 or older are still the top vaccination priority. Teachers and others in the next stage are starting to get access too. I urge everyone who qualifies to get the COVID-19 vaccination. We must all do our part to protect Santa Ana. Thank you.
Hi, this is Councilmember Jessie Lopez. I want to talk to you about the COVID-19 vaccine and how important it is for our community. Santa Ana has been one of the cities hardest hit by the pandemic. Many of our residents have bravely continued to work in essential jobs throughout this difficult time. As a result, we have had a much higher positivity rate and far more death than most other Orange County cities. That is why it is essential for all of our residents to get vaccinated. There's a lot of misinformation about the vaccine going around. I want you to know that doctors and health experts have assured us it is safe. Millions of people around the country have already been vaccinated. We don't want Santa Ana to be left behind. If it isn't your turn yet, then encourage your parents, grandparents, friends, and neighbors who do qualify to get vaccinated. Help them throughout the registration process. Make sure they show up for their appointment and go back for their second shot. This is how we protect our most vulnerable residents and ultimately the entire community. This is how we protect Santa Ana. Thank you.